Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Oluwashina Oyeniran. In this video, I'm going to be discussing merge sort algorithm. In the previous videos, I've discussed the concept of sorting and I used a scenario where you have a pile of books in your room and you are looking for a particular one. But so unfortunately, you couldn't find it because your book is not sorted. Now, take for instance, you have a bookshelf and you arrange all your books in a particular order. Then it's going to be easy for you to locate the particular book you are looking for. So, sorting in this regard means to arrange in a particular order or manner, to organize. So that is sorting. In this video, I'm going to be talking about merge sort algorithm. What merge sort is going to do is that let's take for instance, you have an array of numbers. Merge sort is going to divide that number into two equal parts and put them left and right, and it's going to visit the first one, arrange them. So when it visits the first one, it's going to divide it again into two equal parts. When it divides it into two equal parts, it's going to arrange them, come to the other part, arrange them, then visit the other part, divide it into two, arrange it, get the other one, arrange it, and come together and arrange every other one. So this is how it's going to repeat the process until it gets to the last iteration. Now, I have a snippet here to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Now, if you look at this snippet, what I have here, they are a set of toys, but I have the size of that toy. Now, the first thing is to find the middle point. When you get the middle point, then you split it into two. Then to the left, half to the left, half to the right. Now, take the left one. If it is more than two, split it into two again. Come to the other one, split it into two. Move back to where you're coming from, sort it. The next one, sort it. The next one, sort it. Then repeat the iteration for the last layer, then merge everything together. Now, let's look at this example. Now, take for instance, these are my number array. Now, if this is going to work, what is going to happen is that it's going to divide this into two. And the first one is going to be 836. Now, the second one is going to be 1410. 1410. Let's introduce a comma to it. Now, this is what is going to happen. But you're going to agree with me that this, since it is more than two, so what it's going to do is that, okay, separate this 8, then give it space 3 and 6. Then do the same thing for this. Now, before that, now it's going to arrange this, and you're going to agree with me that we're going to have 3, then 6, then 8. Now it has successfully arranged this. Then it's going to do the same thing for this, which is going to be splitted into 4, into 1, 4, and 10. Let me introduce more space, and 10. By the time it's going to do this the sorting, so you're going to see that 1 will come first, then 4, then finally 10. So it's going to pick, now that we have sorted this and we have sorted this, now it's now going to match these two in together. This, I'm referring to this, and this is going to match them together and sort. So it's going to be very easy to sort. This is what we call merge sort algorithm. Now let's run this code. I'm going to delete this to avoid confusion. So let's run this code. And you see we have 1, 3, 4, 6, 8, 10. And this is how merge sort algorithm work. If you have any question, concern, or comments, please don't hesitate to put it on the comment section for me. I will definitely attend to it. I need you to subscribe, like, and share with your loved one. In fact, turn on the notification bell such that when my next video is available, you'll be the first person to know. Thank you for watching my video. My name is Oluwashina. See you in my next video.